Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Benefit. Yes, it is their Hoola bronzing powder. Okay, so this is how the product looks like, and this is the mini one. As you can see, it's written already, it's a mini Hoola bronzer. So let me tell you, before purchasing this, I had to think a lot of times because it is an expensive product. Okay, it's a luxury product and it is on a pricier side. So I was like, should I buy it or should I don't buy it? So I had that kind of a dilemma because I already had different brands of bronzing and contour powders and I was using them. But this product is so hyped, and most of, all of them have this product, and I was like, okay, so let me give it a try. And I had to invest on a mini one because it is expensive. This is 4 gram of product quantity and will price you 1630 rupees. Okay, it is really very tiny, guys. It's really very tiny. Okay, and the bigger size is 3100 rupees for 8 grams of product quantity, but yes, it goes for a really very long time. I was like, okay, so then I got this. And believe me, this has become one of my favorite bronzing and contour powder. I just look up to this. It's there on my vanity and I always do makeup and things. I first picked this one because it is so easy, convenient, and the outcome is really very good and natural. I just love how this product works. So yeah, and let me tell you, the shelf life of this product is really amazing. 5 years of shelf life. You can aram se use the product. And people who don't do makeup on a daily basis can invest in a mini one and it will go for a really long time. Okay, so yes, my next purchase once this get over will be the 8 gram product quantity itself, because the actual size, this is a mini one, the actual size, I will purchase that because it is that good, and I highly recommend this product to everybody who are looking up for contour or bronzing powder. Yes, okay, so let me quickly show you. This is how the outer packaging looks like. I have received like this. There is no another kind of a packaging. This is the same way I have got with a plastic wrapper on it. Okay, and it has a magnetic closure. Okay, so this is how the product opens. You have a very tiny mirror. You have a very tiny mirror. I don't know if it's, I think you cannot use this mirror to see and contour your face, but yeah, okay, it's tiny, mini, good packaging. I like it. And you get a brush. So this is how the brush looks like, and this brush is really very nice, guys. Like if you have to bronze as a bronzer or a contour, the sharp contours, you can use this brush. Like it is included with the product, by the way. The brush is really good. I just love this brush. Okay, and you get a case along with that. Okay, so that you can place the brush here and can be placed over here. This is the contour powder. As you can see, I have used a lot, and yes, I use it like whenever I do makeup. I just use this for now. Okay, it's my current favorite product. So let me quickly swatch it for you, and it is really very buttery soft, let me tell you. Okay, it's really nice, finely milled. It's nice overall. It's nice. If you guys have to or planning to purchase any contour powder, please invest on this. Okay, yes, it is a little bit pricey, but I think does the job really very well. Okay, so I have given a demo, so you can see right after this video. So let's first see the demo and then let's talk about it something more and good. Okay guys, so let me tell you, I have done the total makeup and I have not done contour. I have not given any shape to my face, so that's why it looks a total canvas now. Okay, so let me quickly start off and show you how this is and how beautiful this is. Okay, so here it is. I'll be doing first this side and then showing you the difference. Okay. So guys, do you see that difference? No, you have got a shadow kind of a thing and it gives a nice look. Then this, just look at this, it really changes the whole look. That's why I love contouring part. Okay, let me quickly show you. I think it's visible already that what difference contouring makes, right? Let me do the other side. The brush is really very nice. I just like the brush. Do you see it now? Like, it has totally changed the outcome, right? Okay, so now let me contour my nose as well. Just see the before effect and the after effect by just using this. Do you see that? I just love the product. Yes. So this is the total demo of this product. Okay. Okay guys, so you just saw the demo. I hope you loved it. I frankly love the product and its outcome. So let me quickly give you a close-up of the product. It looks amazing and I overall love it. So if you are planning to buy, please buy them. If you like and love the way I do, please comment below and let me know what's your opinion about this Hoola bronzer. Okay, so I will be providing the prices on the screen and I'll be giving the link in the description box below so you can go and check it out. Okay, so if you have loved the video, if you have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.